Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into bond. 10 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Attach, which means join or fasten something to something else. Attach. For example, attach your safety line to the bridge. Number 2. Fasten, which means fix or hold in place. Fasten. For example, she fastened her locket round her neck. Number 3. Weld, which means join together metal parts by heating the surfaces to the point of melting with a blowpipe, electric arc, or other means, and uniting them by pressing, hammering, etc. Weld. For example, they simply welded sheets of metal together. Number 4. Cement, which means fix with cement. Cement. For example, wooden posts were cemented into the ground. Number 5. Join, which means link. Join. For example, the tap was joined to a pipe. Number 6. Secure, which means fix or attach something firmly so that it cannot be moved or lost. Secure. For example, he killed the engine, then leapt out to secure boat. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button,